Yeah man, and greetings everybody. It's been a while since I've given you a video from the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, showcasing improvement works with passenger comfort in mind. Guess what? You're in for a treat today. So if it is that you're watching this video and you're not already subscribed, please do so now. In the last video I did from the airport showcasing improvement works. In that video, you would have seen the beginning of the project to improve the traffic congestion which was happening at the main entrance to the airport, and also the planned installation of e-gates at the airport facility. Both projects are now operational and in my opinion is doing what they were designed to do very well. I say very well because this is working. This is the traffic on Saturday the 16th of March 2024 at about 1 p.m. This is the kind of traffic we would have grown accustomed to seeing on busy days at the airport. This is a Saturday which I can truly say is one of the busiest days for Sangster International Airport. And if it is that you're of the opinion that things are slowing down at the airport, that is very far from the truth. Remember, this is the very same airport that a recent newspaper article quoted as receiving 1 million passengers for the first 2 months of 2024. And there's definitely no sign of slowing down in the month of March as the flights are coming in drones into Montego Bay. So let's get into what they did to create this magical transformation at the airport. Well, the short answer is they separated the traffic of persons going to the departure area from those going to the arrivals area. Now, when you arrive at the airport to go to the departures area, you will use the newly constructed left lane to go to the departure areas and not go into the roundabout. Let's drive from the main road and show you how to get to the departures area now using the new access route. I will just explain as I think is necessary while we drive along. Ensure to stay in the left lane if you intend on going to the departures area. Keep left onto this filter lane as the sign ahead would indicate. Avoid going into the roundabout. Then we'll just continue along this roadway to the first major right turn, which is clearly marked by a sign that says TU Departures. Once you have made the right turn, this road takes you directly into the departures area. Remember, this roadway is one way, so no turning around for you. Here you can clearly see the departures area directly ahead of you. So if it is that you want to go to the departures, it's to the left. If it is that you want to exit, then you would continue right. Whether you choose to drop off closer to the departure building or you want to drop off on this side, there's clear exit roads, which either gets you to a car park or to the airport's main exit road. I am going to take you back to the main exit road and show you the best way to avoid the congestion. So you'll follow this roadway here, pretty wide roadway, so you can have multiple cars going in this direction. Now when you get to where you see that line of traffic in, that's where you're going to do your merge. Now try to get across to the extreme right hand lane. The middle and left lane takes you to the arrivals area. Right lane takes you out of the airport or to the car park. Once you stay in the right lane and make that right turn before reaching the arrivals area, it's pretty much straightforward back to the highway. So I've just showed you my own experience of going to the departures area and then exiting the airport. What about those who are going to arrivals? Let's get into that then. But just before I show you the new route to get you to arrivals, I want to know what you think. If it is that you have experienced the new changes for yourself, let me know in the comment section. Or if it is that you're just making an evaluation based upon watching this video. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. I anxiously await your responses. With that said, let's get you now to the new route which you'll use to get to arrivals. If it is that your purpose for coming to the airport is to pick somebody up who is arriving in the islands, there is no longer any need for you to go to the departures area. You'll just continue through the roundabout and then onto this wide roadway which used to take you down to departure. This roadway is now blocked off about midway, so you're not able to access departure from here anymore. What you'll do instead, you'll take a right turn here on this newly constructed road, and this takes you directly into the arrivals area if you stay in the left lane and middle lane. Exiting the arrivals is pretty easy and has no choke points and gets you back to the highway for you to choose your favorite town. 6 brand new state-of-the-art e-gates are now operational in the immigration area. The immigration line inside the departures areas has always been one of those lines that takes a lot of time sometimes to get through. These e-gates will significantly speed up the process for the persons who are in possession of e-passports. I just love this walkway from arrivals to the bus stop, very thoughtful. Until next time, walk good my friends.